Howdy, partner. Is this Cosori TurboBlaze the best family size air fryer on Amazon? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to go through all the product features of this neat air fryer and cook an entire meal on it of steak, roasted broccoli, some french fries, and maybe even some dessert to show you all the different functions. Let's check it out. We'll unbox it and go through the features. Opening up the Cosori TurboBlaze air fryer. It's pretty hefty, about 14 pounds it says, so pretty solid. You see it's well packaged. We have here a nice instruction book, and I think it actually has a recipe book in here as well. And then we also have the main tray. We have a nice sticker with some recommended settings for different common items. It's pretty cool. This really nice color recipe book that has a ton of different items that we can probably make, or that we can plan to make, in this air fryer. Okay, well packaged, fully assembled, all the instructions on top. We're gonna go ahead and read everything and then get started to do some cooking. Okay, so this air fryer has thousands of near 5-star ratings, and I'm gonna go ahead and link a description in the comment box so you can go ahead and check that out if you wanna check out for yourself. But just looking at it, once we turned it on, you can see that it has exact temperature controls as well as minutes, and it has 5 different fan speeds. So you can do a lot of different stuff in this. It can do roasting, broiling, frozen food, regular air frying. It's got all different settings. They're easy touch, and you can see as you press these different buttons, it makes it really easy. So that's pretty neat. There's a big basket here that you go ahead and put that in, and then you can also take this apart and wash it. So pretty neat. Now, when I talk about family size, we use this air fryer a lot because we have a family of 5, and if you have a smaller air fryer like this, it may be time to upgrade to a 6-quart that actually has some capacity, because this will cook a lot more. But anyhow, I know what you want to see. You want to see how it works. So let's jump in to our meal. Okay, so we got our whole dinner lined up right here, and what's pretty neat is we're going to use 3 different functions here. We're going to use broiling for the steak, roasting for the broccoli, and frozen for the frozen french fries. If you come on over here, you've got this preheat button. If you have not yet preheated it, you do that in 4 minutes. It's up to temperature. But when you transition from one meal to the next, it's already preheated, so you don't have to do that more than once. And you could actually start it before you preheat. It just might take another minute or 2. So for the steak, it says to press the broil button, and then it says you're going to broil it for 9 minutes for medium rare. Watch out, dog. We're going to put those steaks into the basket. Plenty of room. We could do a lot more. And we're going to press play. And it's going to start cooking. Not loud, and we'll show you it when it comes out in 9 minutes. Can't wait. All right, we've got about 20 seconds left. Now, this smells really, really good, but as you can see, it's pretty quiet and not at all smoky. So can't wait to open this up and see how the steak's going, and we're going to transition straight into our next dish. I think we're going to go with the fries next and do the broccoli last. I was just kind of figuring it out, but I want the steak to rest. So now it beeps to say it's done. Press the button. Oh, those look pretty good. You can see the fat here is nice and caramelized. So we're going to let this rest for a few minutes before we cut into it and show you how it turned out. But let's put that there. So we're going to dump in all these fries. And these are frozen. And according to the instructions, it says that you press frozen, and then you're going to do that anywhere for the fries from 13 to 15 minutes. We're going to say 14 minutes. We're going to hit play. And we're on to the second part of the meal. Okay, 2, 1, beep. All right, let's check this out. Wow. Those actually look pretty perfect. So, okay, those look really golden brown and real tasty. Girls, come on over here. What do you think about these french fries?
They look so good.
They look a little bit hot, don't they?
Yeah.
Can you add a little bit of parsley on top?
Yeah. But my teeth.
Oh, there you go. All right. You guys want some broccoli too?
Yeah.
So let's set this in again. Now this is a lot of broccoli for this.
That's a big broccoli.
That is a big broccoli. As for the broccoli, when you put it in, that we're going to hit the roast. And then it says that we should broccoli roast for 5 to 10 minutes. So we'll go with 7 minutes. And dinner's almost done. Let's see how it did. Bright green, Oh yeah, it feels really good. So I think that that is all ready to go as well. Looks perfectly roasted. Bonus feature, we are actually going to make dessert as well with some cookies using the bake function here. So for cookies, we are going to put a piece of parchment paper covering the bottom. So we set the cookies in here. You're going to put it in here and you're going to bake at about 25 degrees lower than you normally would. You're going to press a bake button and then it's going to be at 330 we'll say, and we're going to do this for about 7 minutes. These are just store-bought cookies. So we'll let this start baking, and while that's going, we're going to get everything plated up, cutting that steak, and see how it is. Okay, so while this is baking, you can hear it. It's actually a little quieter even now because on the baking setting, it has that fan speed a little lower. It's got adjustable speed. So we've rested this steak. Let's go ahead and see how this is. It was supposed to be a medium rare, and we will see how it came out. That actually looks pretty good. All right, we're gonna get this all plated up, and then we'll go ahead and give it all the taste test. Stay tuned. Well, our meal is all done, and this whole meal, if you added it up, was done in 30 minutes, super easy with air fryer, but what's important is how it tastes. So let's see, and again, we made enough food for a whole family, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and check out the steak. Never made steak in the kitchen in an air fryer. They're actually really good. French fries, they feel like they have a nice snap to them. Excellent, definitely crispy, very good. Excellent. Now the cookie's still super hot, so I don't eat that yet. We'll let that cool. But again, what's neat about this Cosori air fryer is, I will say, having the different settings. We've had them in the past, we don't have many settings, and you definitely can't do the variety of baking and everything else. So this can replace a lot of appliances. We'll see how it works in the long haul, but the reviews are really, really good. Again, I'll link a link in the product description. So hope this video was helpful. First time using it, but overall, very happy with it. Good capacity, easy to use, and the food's awesome. So again, if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great home how-to tips and tricks, as well as some good product reviews. And remember, all these products, if I can do it, you can too. Got a little bit of steak for the cameraman.